Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to download and install Unreal Engine in Windows 10. So let's get started. So just go to Google and type download Unreal Engine. You'll be having the first link over here, unrealengine.com. Just click that and it will be taking you to the official website of Unreal Engine, and these are your system requirements for you to work with Unreal Engine seamlessly. It is for Windows, Mac OS and Linux, so just read it out. And if you just scroll down, you'll be having two options. One is download the Epic Games Launcher, or if you're already having Epic Games Launcher, you can just click on Open Launcher. So Unreal Engine can be only used with the help of Epic Games, so if you're not familiar with that. So first we need to download Epic Games, and after that we need to download Unreal Engine inside Epic Games. So I'm not having Epic Games right now. If you're having, you can just click on Open Launcher. So I will first download Epic Games and later Unreal Engine. So I'll just click on Download Launcher. So this will download Epic Games installer, which is about 170 MB in size. So just be patient till then. So once the Epic Game installer is downloaded, just click on Open. And you'll be getting this Epic Games launcher setup. So if you want, you can just change the location. And once you're done selecting the location, just click on OK and just click on install. So just click yes. So it will take some time to complete the launcher setup now. So after some time, you will be getting this Epic Games sign in dialog box. And the good thing with Epic Games is that you can sign in with so many options you are having with Epic Games, Facebook, Google, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, Steam and Apple. So I will just go with sign in with Epic Games. And so here you can see, right, don't have an Epic Games account, sign up or sign in later. So if you don't have an account, I would recommend you to click on sign up and choose a method to sign up. So I'll just go with sign up with email. So this is like the easiest way. If you want, you can just try doing it with what do you call that, Google or Facebook. So this is just like straightforward, and I hope you would be creating an account over here. So I'll just go to back to all sign up options, and I will just click on sign in, and I'm already having an account, so I hope you get created an account. It's a straightforward process. So after signing in, you will be getting an interface like this. You'll be having store, library and Unreal Engine, and you can also go through the games. They have a variety of free games and paid games. If you want, you can just check it out. But our focus is on Unreal Engine. We are not here to play games, we are here to create games. So we need to go to Unreal Engine over here, the leftmost tab. So just click on Unreal Engine, and here we'll be having the latest version. I think 5 is the latest version, and here we are having 5.2. so here we will be having an option called as install engine. If I click on this, so here you can see that I'm having the 5.2.0, which is the latest version, and yeah, I have read the agreement. Yeah, just click on accept. So it will ask you the path where you want to install. So I will just select custom path, and you need to just click on install. So this is the latest version of Unreal Engine, and if you go to downloads, you'll be having the progress of your download. So it is about 22 GB in size. So make sure that you have a good internet connection and good space in your local disk. So after the download is complete, you will be getting like this. You have no tasks, so it took like an hour for the download to get completed. So after this, if you just go to search and type Unreal Engine, yeah, so you'll be getting this under apps. You'll be having Unreal Engine. So if I just click it, so after some time you'll be getting the Unreal Engine interface like this appearing over here. So if you can't find in apps, what you can do is you can just click on, you'll be in the downloads, you can just click on Unreal Engine, and in the Unreal Engine you'll be having launch Unreal Engine. So if you just click on this and launch, you'll be automatically getting the Unreal Engine interface like this, and you can just click on blank project or anything, and you can just click on create. So this is how it works, guys, and I hope you would have found this video useful. Mine is a programming channel. Do check the playlist. I've done many tutorials in C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, MySQL, as well as create operations in Node.js and Spring Boot. So check the playlist and the videos. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.